today's video, magli-lip swatch ako nung product na feeling ko isa sa mga pinaka-underrated products. Underrated in the sense na ang ganda naman niya, pero parang hindi siya nabibigyan lang sapat na spotlight. Like, I haven't heard other people rave about this or talk about this. Kung meron man, well, hindi ko na-search. Pero you guys, I'm talking about a product from Penshoppe. Penshoppe dye. Tindahan ng damit dye. And I feel like this line is really, really nice na you have to hear about it. And you guys, I got them all shades because nagkaroon ng National Lipstick Day and nag-sale siya. And alam niyo naman, pag may sale, gotta catch them all, parang Pokemon. Talking about a product from Beauty Pop by Penshoppe. Ito yung Matte Lip Mousse. So I'm gonna do a lip swatch as I talk about the product, and let's start with this shade. By the way guys, I'm so sorry kung medyo pawisan ang dating ko kasi init talaga day. I mean, it's been raining for a couple of days, like probably more than a week. Tapos biglang, eto na yung araw. So guys, this is Pinky Swear and it is so cute. It is so nice. It's like a mauve pink na pang everyday. But let me talk about the formula, you guys. It's a mousse, it's really creamy, it's really soft, it's not drying on the lips, and masarap siyang like i-glide on your lips. It's kind of slippery, and I really love it. I mean, it's really comfortable on the lips. So, isa yun sa mga selling point niya sa akin. Plus, kahit iganon mo, slippery pa rin siya. So, hindi talaga siya drying. But take note, hindi siya kiss-proof. But wait, hear me out, okay? Hindi siya kiss-proof, but it's definitely long-lasting. Lalo na kapag ka-full pack mo siyang in-apply. Kung isang ganun lang, tapos like, i-blur mo lang ng ganun, maganda, okay? Maganda siya. Maganda siyang tint on your lips. Pero mas long-lasting siya, mas magiging long-lasting siya kapag ka-full pack ang application mo. Or probably like, 1.5 coat. 1 coat and then add a little bit more. It's really long-lasting. Pero, yun nga, hindi siya mask-proof or kiss-proof. So, if you're like working at home or aura at home, or yung mask na ginagamit mo is yung parang may frame, so hindi masyadong didikit sa labi mo, that would be a good one. I do recommend that you try this one. Itong Matte Lip Mousse ng Beauty Pop by Penshoppe. Oh, by the way, it says Matte Lip Mousse, but it's not really matte. And it's okay. I mean, meron siyang konting sheen. So, mukhang alive and healthy yung lips mo, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, this is Pinky Swear. I'm so sorry, Dai. Pawis me. Next shade we're going to swatch is called Girls Night Out. I wish. So, ayan siya, blurred out. Guys, parang siyang parang may cloudy effect and everything. Pero, ang ayoko kasi is, may mga parts pa rin ng labi ko nakita. So, I wanna cover everything. Plus, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, it's going to be more long-lasting kapag ka full pakak. Ayan ang difference ni Pinky Swear and ni Girls Night Out. And this is Girls Night Out on my lips. Dye. I was not expecting that it's going to be this deep. Parang siyang burnt orange, but it gears more towards the brown more than the orange. So, less kalawang effect siya. Alam mo yun? So, dye. Ganda na dye. Actually, 3 of the shades here, first time kong na-try, like right now, like today. Pero 2 of the shades, meron na ako matagal na, like months ko nang ginagamit. Ayan o. Kahit gumanong-ganong ka, it's really, really soft. So, yeah, this is Girls Night Out. Next shade is called Oh Snap. So here is the difference of Oh Snap from the first 2 color. Oh Snap is like Pinky Swear, pero dagdagan mo ng brown and make it deeper. And this is Oh Snap on my lips. And I forgot to tell you guys, diba, It's a mousse, but it's kind of slippery, runny. Para siyang mala gel-like na, but not really 100% gel consistency. For it to be long-lasting on your lip, kailangan nakalapat muna siya sa lips mo for quite some time. Like, after applying this, huwag ka muna kumain, huwag ka muna uminom, alam mo yun. Yeah, you can talk and everything. Use a straw or something. Pero, siguro in a matter of like 30 minutes or an hour, magsiset talaga to ng bonggang-bongga. Mababawasan yung glossy effect, and it's really gonna turn into more like cloudy mousse consistency or yung parang itsura niya. And kapag ka ganun na siya, dun siya mas magiging long-lasting. Based on my experience, okay? Based on me using the 2 shades that I have for like a couple of months na. But yeah, this is... Oh snap! Next shade is called Spill the Tea. Shout out sa mga kapwa ko chismosa there. The difference ni Spill the Tea sa first 3 shades, it's actually a deeper brown maroony-ish color. And this is Spill the Tea on my lips. You know what? This is a new shade for me. Ngayon ko lang to na-try, and I'm kind of super shocked at how deep it is. Well, it's not really like super vampy in person, pero makikita mong it's more on the brown. A little bit of red, but more on the brown. But it's actually kind of nice. By the way, it's paraben-free and cruelty-free and paraben-free and what is this? Lead-free. Okay. Next shade we're going to swatch is called Boss Babe. This is one of the 2 shades na matagal ko nang ginagamit. So this is Boss Babe. And this is Boss Babe on my lips. You guys, do you see what I see? This shade, this red is so beautiful in person, you guys. It's like oofy, like you're beautiful, you're sexy, you're sultry. And I just remembered, I forgot to include this dun sa best red lippies of 2020 ko. I tried this in 2020. Kaya now I am rekindling our romance. And I'm sharing with you our romance. So yeah, this is Boss Babe. Not that it helps. That completes our lip swatch, you guys. Also, it's affordable. Ito I got the 3 shades for just 49 pesos. Pero, ang expiration niya is on March of 2022. So, that's like less than a year. So, actually, ganun, kapag ka nagsisale yung mga products, most likely, malapit na yung expiration ng mga products na yun. So, if you're gonna buy, make sure to check the expiration date. If it's super duper affordable, anything na super duper affordable, make sure to check the expiration date. Anyway, so yeah, that completes this video, guys. I'm gonna link this product down below. And then, at the comment section, mag-comment naman kayo, what are the products na feeling mo underrated? O yung parang gandang-ganda ka, gamit na gamit mo. I mean, ilang beses mo nang binili. Pero alam mo, for some reason, parang hindi siya sikat. Parang wala kang narinig na ibang tao na, alam mo, gumagamit nun, or pinag-uusapan yon, or nire-rave yun. I'm interested to know what's your underrated product, so I can try them as well. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!